Hi guys, Automotive Control in Bristol. We have with us today a Peugeot 308 SW fitted with the DMX5023DABS, as you can see just there. So this had the original single DIN radio in a pocket underneath and a parrot and all sorts. This has now got a KENWOOD unit which will do everything that he wants and more. So it's a DAB unit, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all your nice features just here. We've retained steering wheel control on the column there. We've also fitted reverse camera there with guidelines that the customer can add on or off or adjust. Great unit, really competitively priced, in stock, 3-year warranty. Automotive Control in Bristol, 01179 080708. Thank you.